As y'all can see, snowstorm 2026. Look, I just shoveled that, and look at the shit. You can see me right here with my shit on, and it's already filling back in, y'all. The plow ain't been through here yet once. They could have been through here like at least a couple of fucking times, you would think. How much money are they paying these niggas? And they probably getting hella guap, and they ain't barely doing shit, man. I promise you, man. I promise you, y'all. They paying these goddamn people hella money, and I bet they immigrants, too. I bet they immigrants. And they not doing a goddamn thing, man. I promise you. I ain't heard a plow go through this bitch, except for when the fire people we saw. You can see where they left their little plow mark right there.